You think you know everything about the new Poco X8 Pro Max? Think again. This phone is holding some serious secrets, and today we're going to expose all of them. Get ready, because what you're about to hear will change everything. First up, the heart of the beast. Everyone's talking about its performance, but here is the secret. It's the world's very first phone powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 9500S chip. This isn't just an upgrade. It's a revolution in mobile processing, giving it power that competitors can only dream of. Secret number 2 might surprise you. This global powerhouse is actually a rebranded version of a legendary device from China, the Redmi Turbo 5 Max. Poco has taken that exclusive high-performance DNA and unleashed it for the rest of the world to experience. Now for the third secret. And it's a big one, literally. The Poco X8 Pro Max packs the largest battery ever seen in a Poco phone. We're talking a massive 9,000 mAh capacity. This isn't just all-day battery life. This is multi-day power that just keeps going. Secret number 4 is all about toughness. While other phones boast about being water-resistant, the Poco X8 Pro Max takes it to a whole new level with a rare IP69 rating. This means it can withstand high-pressure, high-temperature water jets. It's practically indestructible against dust and water. Finally, the 5th secret is its brain. It's not just running any old system. It integrates Xiaomi's groundbreaking HyperOS. This creates a seamless, intelligent ecosystem that connects all your devices like never before, making your digital life smoother and more intuitive. So there you have it. The Poco X8 Pro Max isn't just another phone. It's a collection of incredible, game-changing secrets. From its exclusive chip to its monstrous battery and extreme durability, this device is truly in a league of its own. Thanks for watching. If you were as amazed as I am, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech deep dives. See you in the next one.